I know I do all my funny, silly videos and talk about being a gamer, being a teacher. I'm also a mom. But what I really love is this walk. This is my favorite spot when I go on my walks. A little bit later, it's a lot prettier and there's less road noise because there is a highway right there, but this right here is so peaceful and beautiful. And I didn't have this at my old house. And I am blessed every single day that I get to be here and that this is where I live and this is where I get to walk.